Hello guys, I welcome you all in my Max tutorial. This is number 10 I guess. So the last one is about the compound objects. This is the particle system. So if you on the right hand side, if you go on the creation tab, you just go for the particle system. So what is particle system? Particle system is actually a piece of component of a bigger objects like a drop of drop of rain or something, a piece of snow on the snowfall, some sort of that things. It's an element of a bigger component or a bigger object. So that is particle system. So particle system is what is necessary for the particle system. Let's say you want to create a snowfall animation, you want to create a fire, you want to create a rain effect, you want to create dust effect or some sort of animation things. You want to create a snowfall, rain falling, that sort of things is done by the particle system. Or you want to create a fountain, a water fountain in front of yeah, in front of a house or something. So that sort of things is particle system. Let me clear one thing about the particle system. Every 3D softwares, every 3D standard softwares has its own particle system. Let's say Max has its own particle system, Maya has its own particle system, Blender, Cinema 4D has its own particle system, and obviously Unity, game engines like Unity and Unreal Engine has its own particle system. So it doesn't necessary that you being a master of one particle system of a software. It's actually important that which platform you are using, and if you, let's say, if you want to create a game in Unity, so it doesn't actually necessary to master a particle system in a 3ds Max, because 3ds Max is obviously used for asset creation. So I personally use 3ds Max for asset creation and 3D modeling or and so on. So okay, so keep in mind that you have to choose your platform, that which platform is you are choosing, and which particle system you want to go. So now enough talking. So now when you go for the particle system, Max has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 particle systems. So if I go for a PF source, see what happened. I just draw this one, and this is the animation bar, guys. See what happened if I drag in the animation. You see some sort of particle is falling down. So this is the particle effect. Okay, it's come up with its own animation. Let's say this spray. Okay, the spray is a kind of a, for the rain falling thing, rain falling effect. So on the modify tab, if you can, let's say, increase the amount, so you see you can tweak the, you can tweak, drops, dots, and ticks. Okay, so dots maybe, drops maybe. Okay, so you can with the parameter you can tweak them. Okay, then here is snow. You see, this is snow. So snow is falling. It's amazing animation. It's falling, and it's behaving like a snowfall. Okay, let's say if I tweak that, okay, you can have a very good effect. Okay, yeah. Then super spray, some sort of like that. Okay, if you, okay, you see the particle is going from bottom to up. Okay, then the blizzard effect, you have to, okay, some sort of pleased effect, so you can have okay, parameters by itself, a lot of parameters, I guess. Maybe let's say, yeah, tweak that. Okay, yeah. Then we have p-array. I haven't used the p-array and p-cloud. Okay, I haven't used the p-cloud also. I used actually the snow spray and pf for the okay, spray. Yeah, you see. Yeah, so this is actually the particle system. The most famous one is snow spray, snow blizzard, and pf source. Yeah, so this is basically the particle system. All the components, 7 components, are coming from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, 7 components has its own modifier, so you can tweak them, you can play with them, to investigate and to explore that what is going on. So this is particle system, guys, for in the max. So the thing is, max particle system is affected in max scene. Let's say architectural scene is created in a 3ds max. So then maybe the designer needs a snowfall, or a designer needs a heavy rainfall. Then the particle system may come up. So that's why I just said that it depends on the platform, that what is your project, what you are going to do, and on the final project you use that particle system. Okay, I don't use the max particle system too much, because I don't actually use them, because of I use only max for asset creation and 3D modeling. But animation, I do it in maybe Unity, or maybe Unreal Engine, some sort of animation. And if it necessary, then I use Unity particles. Unity has a very standard particle system on its own, and you have a lot of plugins, and lot of add-ons for the particle systems, systems very advanced. But Max is offering these 7 particle systems. They are actually pretty old. Actually, I learned them about in 2008, 2007, 2011, when at that time, when I was learning about the 3ds max. So that time I had a class for the particle system. So yeah, it was amazing and very very good to see actually the effects and the animation process. So as a recap, we learn about the particle system, the max particle system. This is after the compound object, the particle system. So max is offering 7 particle systems. So 7 particle systems has its own individual parameters. You can tweak them to change the value, to change the behavior of that particle component. So this is all, guys, for now. Later we will proceed further. So keep supporting me and keep supporting my channel, and stay with me. I'm trying my best to to share my skills with you. And okay, for now. Okay, goodbye for now.